Hey everyone, it's Kelly. Welcome to What's for Breakfast. We always do What's for Dinner, so I thought I would change it up and share with you what we do for breakfast because it is not a big meal in our house. So first off is honey toast that my son has pretty much every single day. And so that's easy to make, and usually I will have Vegemite toast when I do eat breakfast because again it's quick and simple. I usually do multigrain bread, but I just did white bread because it was on clearance and I wanted to make sure I used it up. Next up we have smashed banana and sprinkled on with cinnamon sugar on toast. You should give it a go. It tastes awesome. And then here is also a traditional for myself, wheat bix. Have 2 wheat bix in there with milk and banana on top. Sometimes in winter, if it's cold, I'll do hot water in it with a dash of milk, so it's like a porridge. Funny, I actually don't like the taste of porridge, but yeah, it's what I do. And of course, you've got to sprinkle some sugar on top. In summer, I really like crunchy nut cornflakes with some peaches on top and a little bit of the syrup. And often the peaches disappear very fast in the house, so it's well worth opening a tin so others will have fruit. And then we also have the standard Cocoa Pops and Fruit Loops in the cupboard. These aren't eaten very often at all. They're more of an actually afternoon snack, if anything, and it's just for the crunch factor. Of course, let's not forget that I usually have coffee for breakfast and I'll always have a muesli bar in my bag. I just grab it. In summer, I really like to have some grapes and a banana is always good. I try and always have them in the house anyway because I can grab a banana like a muesli bar and just head out the door. So simple and easy. Here we've got a Crumpets. I would have got them on markdown clearance as well, and a yogurt. I again would have got that on a markdown, so just showing you something else that I've had different. And then on the weekends, we really like to do a bigger cooked breakfast, but it's more like brunch by the time we get around to eating it, by the time I get home from Zumba. And also on a Sunday, we have a very slow morning, so we tend to just take our time getting ready, and then that way having something cooked, it's a little bit more substantial. So I'm not the world's best cook, as you probably are well aware, but scrambled eggs is pretty easy. I just put some eggs in a bowl, mix it up, and put a dash of milk in there. I don't do salt and pepper, I just don't. So we've had here scrambled eggs with some bacon and some bagels because they were marked down. I was using them up. And then here's some more bagels again with some cream cheese spread. And then the next weekend we've had again bacon and eggs because I got this bacon from the meat tray that I won at bingo. So I chopped all the fat off because hubby can't have a lot of fat since he's had his gallbladder out. And we're just having some egg and bacon McMuffins because again, I got the muffins on clearance and they go into the freezer so well. So I'll always just buy them and then throw them into the freezer if we have any left over, and then they can be used down the track. I often will do scrambled eggs with bacon on toast, especially if we need to use the bread up. And again, just some more McMuffin type things here. The last one that we have is an actual bacon and egg McMuffin Macca's ripoff. I just thought about this. I've only ever had one once, but I was thinking about it because I got these beef breakfast patties from Woolworths Bunch Club for free. So I thought, why not? Let's give it a go. And I've just got some eggs here as well that we got pretty cheap. I would love to know, how do you like your eggs? I know that you can cook them a million different ways, but just because you can doesn't mean I can. I really like a runny yolk. That's how I was brought up, having a parboiled egg, and you crack the top off with a knife, just about burn the fingertips off trying to hold it. You do have egg cups, and then also you have toast soldiers and you dip that into the runny egg. Oh, absolutely delicious. I grew up with that, and yes, it's so good. I do love having poached eggs as well. They're really good, and I love hollandaise sauce. I've only ever had it a couple of times, but oh, it's been so good. I really should try and learn how to make it because it is one of my favorite things, absolutely. Anytime I eat anyone else's scrambled eggs or anything like that, they taste absolutely beautiful, so I'm sure that they probably do salt and pepper. But also plain basic scrambled eggs is my son's favorite, so it means he's getting some good protein into his diet as well, and he just likes to have plain toast with butter when he has this, so it makes it easy to cook all round. The last couple of things we've got here, sometimes if I've gotten croissants marked down again for a brunch thing, sometimes I will do ham, cheese and pineapple. It's usually more of an afternoon snack thing though. And also when waffles were really cheap, I used to buy them, and then we always have strawberries and bananas with some cream. And of course, pancakes are a family favorite of ours. We usually do it every Mother's Day, Father's Day, and then the occasional weekends that I feel like it's getting closer to brunch and I don't quite feel like bacon and eggs, but I want to do pancakes so everyone in the house can have something. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I so appreciate it. Let me know down below what you love to have for breakfast, because I would love to hear all about it, and I look forward to seeing you next time. Bye.